How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And I've seen some questions, some very interesting questions lately. Is NordVPN sketchy? I'm not exactly sure why you guys would ask that. We have plenty of evidence to show that NordVPN is actually quite, well, the opposite of sketchy. So, okay, let's get straight into it. First of all, they do claim a no logs policy, and they have independent audit reports to show that they do uphold their no logs policy, okay? And there are even more audit reports to show if you sign into your account, you'll see the security client testing, which they've done plenty of back in 2021, and you'll see all the other available audits if you'd like to read them. But these audits are available. You don't really have to sign into your account to read them anyways. And they also have a recent application audit. So yeah, they have plenty of audits to show that they do uphold the integrity of their no logs policy, and they have a very solid privacy policy, and they're outside the 5, 9, and 14 eyes jurisdiction, and they allow you to use cryptocurrencies, and you still get your 30-day money-back guarantee even when you use your cryptocurrency to purchase NordVPN. And of course, they have extra features, as they can tell, as they say here. You've got extra features such as the double VPN, onion or VPN. If you go to right here and switch from NordLynx, which is definitely the best and fastest protocol. But if you switch to OpenVPN, you will get dedicated IP. So yeah, you also have this threat protection. This is kind of a new feature. It blocks ads, malware-ridden websites, and it will protect you from infected files. Kind of like an antivirus, but it's like a mini version of the antivirus, not exactly the same. But yeah, overall, you got plenty of features to protect you with NordVPN. You've got the kill switch, app kill switch, split tunneling, custom DNS, and obfuscated servers. And overall, I think NordVPN is the complete opposite of sketchy. It's a very well-rounded VPN, and it's very popular for a reason. So if you guys are interested in learning more about NordVPN, though, with regards to the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features, be sure to check the description down below for the full review, full in-depth review, and you'll find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to take advantage of the discounts while they last. And of course, keep in mind that all the plans are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, and they have 24/7 live chat support. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.